In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an idler arm on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located under the vehicle in the front. Let's get started. Using a 15mm socket, remove the 2 bolts for the front air dam. Remove that front trim. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 2 bolts. Break them free before you remove them. Remove the 2 bolts. Using a 21mm socket, remove the nut. We're going to use a pitman arm puller to release the stud from our center link. I'm going to put a hand on my bracket so that when this lets go, it doesn't fall and hit you. Remove the idler arm from the center link and remove the whole assembly. Using a 24mm socket, remove the nut. We're going to install a pitman arm remover. Remove the idler arm off of the bracket. We're going to install the idler arm bracket into the vise. Remove the nut. Install the idler arm onto the bracket. Install the nut. Snug the nut down. If you need to hold the stud while you install the nut, use an 8mm Allen key and snug down that nut. Torque the nut to 47 foot-pounds. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Now we're ready to go back onto the car. Remove the nut off of the idler arm. Install the assembly into the vehicle. Get the ball joint started into the center link first. Line up the idler arm bracket and get the bolts installed. Get the nut started on the idler arm. Snug the nut down using a 21mm socket. Snug down the idler arm bracket bolts. Torque the idler arm bracket bolts to 111 foot-pounds. Torque the idler arm joint bolt to 47 foot-pounds. And then up to an additional 60 degrees, or until you have a slot that you can put your cotter pin through. Install the cotter pin. Bend the tabs up and around. Bend the tabs out of the way and cut the tails off if you'd like. Install the plastic shield and get the bolts started. Snug both bolts down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.